to the D now. We now come to the D now. Then we have gotten if E4 is greater than 44, what do you want the computer to give? You are saying you should give D. Then you close it again. Then you combine. Then if you open a bracket again, E4 greater than 40. E4 is greater than 40, comma, open a parenthesis. What do you want the computer to give? You are saying the computer should give this one E. Then you close it again. Then comma, if E4 is greater than, is less than 39. If it is less than 39, what are you saying the computer should give? You are asking the computer to give the person F. You close it again. Now you are going, if you leave it like this, you are not going to get the answer you are looking for. You must use a 6 bracket to close it. How do I do that? I do it like this. Then I use 6 to close it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You must make sure that it completes 6. Now let's go and check our result if our programming is correct. Now look at this one. It's giving it A according to how you write the program. Now I will not come here and drag it down to know if what I asked the computer to do is that's what it actually did for me. Now let's go and check. And I will drag it down because I cannot be calculating it and I can be forecasting it. Now this is how I do it. I drag it down again as we have earlier said before. Now the reason why this one is giving us false is because there was no figure like that. Now what if we decide to say let's reduce this one now? Let's say from 40, let's make it 30. It gives us F. That means the figure we actually assume that one. So now you could see how this programming work. Now the teachers we always have, the teacher maybe the teacher of that school, we want to have his or her own remark. Maybe this person promoted or withdraw or repeat. Then we are going to write another program also like as we did before that we also calculate that for us, because the teacher cannot just look at it and say maybe you just look at it and say you got F. No. Now let us see the one that we are going to add, that we ask the student to withdraw or that we ask the student to you are promoted. Let's take a look at it now. Now we have our remark like this. Remark written here like this. Now we want to write another software too that we say if promote. That's what we are going to deal on right now. Now that we have written the remark, we want to say okay, let's check those who pass, those who is promoted, those who will promote, and those who will repeat. I go like this, equals to, as usual, if, and I open my bracket, if E4 is greater than 59, what are you saying the computer should do? You are asking the computer to tell the person you are promoted. You are promoted, and you close with your parentheses again, and you open you keep the comma. Then you also write your if again, and you open a bracket, and you say if E4 is greater than 50. If it's greater than 50, what are you saying the computer should do? You are telling the computer to give the person repeat. Then you close again, then comma, if again, you close, open, then E4 less than 45. Less than 45. Let me use less than 50. Less than 50. Less than 50. What do you say the computer should do? You are asking the computer to tell the person to withdraw. Then you close again. Then you give your bracket close. 1,